everyone, my name is Debonae. Raindrop technique. What is it? I'm just going to give a really quick breakdown because I've been getting that question a lot.
The raindrop technique is an extremely gentle, non-invasive healing modality that utilizes the medicinal power of essential oils. We use this to help reduce back pain, emotional anxiety, and stress. However, you can also swap out the oils to fight infection, fatigue, or fevers. And depending on the action of the oil, we pair that up with several different hands-on techniques to compound the action of the oil. I hope this answered any questions you have. If you have any more, go to thehdwellness.com, where you can look at people's results and see their experiences. And you can also go to Get Started if you have any more questions. That'll give you a little bit more in depth on the breakdown of the raindrop technique. If you'd like to contact me for a session, go to thehdwellness.com.